use this to hold the thread halves because they go right down below the hole, right? Take the front, move it this way a bit, and then stand it up. Okay. All right, best out of 3.
Oh, yeah.
Aha! Look at that. The back seems to be low.
Okay. Oh, pushed it against the fender. No, we divoted the paint. Okay. I feel it. It's okay. Just when we first put it in, I said, whoa, it's too late. Anyway.
In case anybody cares, I've been getting a lot of heat about this window going down too far. And once you put it down too far, then of course it hits the rubber on the way up and you can't get it to come up. And it's a pretty complicated procedure. I have to loosen this bolt and raise up the stop that goes underneath it. This would have taken 10 or 15 minutes on the road. But anyhow, that's what I'm going to do.
This assembly is not my forte.
And I raise that up and the window won't go down all the way. Well, why didn't you order a new part?
Because you can't get this. Can't get this. There was one in the States, but it was like 400 Canadian in 2 weeks to get it here. So I might try and find one down there, but they don't make this, right? That's the issue.
Right.
They might make this, but I haven't looked yet. But I mean, they're all riveted on, or those screws? Oh no. You know, geez, maybe Lordco would have one. What do you think, Blair? Yeah, three positions. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's plug it in, see what happens, shall we?
Okay.
I'm just wondering if we need that. I had to phone Steve and ask what that, if that is a ground, or maybe that was for AC or something.
AC in these cars?
They had them. Okay, we don't have power. Why?
Turn the key on.
I did.
Is the battery hooked up? Did you plug in the ignition?
No. Slip of mind. Well, we've got it now. We've got another issue. I got to plug it in. I hate getting underneath the dash. Good call there, Mr. Smith. Yeah, good call, Blair.
Captain Obvious.
Captain Obvious. Did you plug in the ignition? No.
Run, did you turn on?
Hang on. Where is it? Where's the switch? Right here. Okay, where's the ignition? Where is it? Okay, what do we got here? We got 2 on the side. Oh, shit. This way? This way? Okay, I'm not very good at looking upside down and backwards. Okay, there's 3 on this side. Okay. Okay, should be there. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's play the silly game one more time.
Okay, turn it on, man.
Okay.
Oh, listen to that.
Okay, where's it coming out of? Okay.
Not the speaker hole.
So that's air. Okay, what's defrost? Yes, defrost. Anything happening? Oh, this one isn't hooked up. Oh, the cables aren't
Yeah,
hooked
but
up.
I am getting some air out of there.
Hang on. Wait
Pliers.
a sec. Hang on. Let's just push this one. Okay, now what's up? Okay, yeah. Now, okay. Put this on here.
Yeah.
Okay, blur. So that's, okay, so that's,
Yeah, I got air coming up here.
okay, but, okay, hang on. Wait till when, let me pull this back. Now you should have air coming out. More or not?
No, I got nothing.
You got nothing.
A little tiny bit.
Oh, wait a sec. You know why?
It's upside down.
Hang on, where's the third one? Where's the third cable? See what happened with this one. There we go, okay. 1, 2, 3. 2.
So if you hadn't broke the switch, or the actual arm.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and you're saying you don't have one in that other rag top out there?
No.
It's not laying in the trunk?
I look.
We don't have any
So,
other Malibus or Chevelles?
I'm not thinking the heat, like it's not letting the door open. See, what's this plug-in for? There is a plug-in on the top here, Blair.
That may be for the heat valve on your hot water, your freaking heater core. You gotta have a heat valve to regulate how much heat goes through it.
Well, no, but that's where that, so then that, I mean, how much air is coming out when I shut this down?
You're getting dick all coming out
Okay,
right now.
hang on. Let's just put this back on. Okay, so defrost. Right, because on is down, so that should be defrost.
There you go.
Yeah?
Yep, now I got air.
Lots?
Well,
Oh yeah. Oh, that's, yeah, tons. Okay. Okay. So we have, and then if I pull this back, will it shut it off? It will. Okay, so the switch still works, but only to shut it off. It doesn't work to turn it on. You know what, I could just hook a little, anyway, it works. It works. I'm not changing the blower motor. That thing sounds good. It doesn't make any noise. What?
yes, it does. Just
Anyway.
change the angle here a bit. There.
Close enough.
Oh, sure. When I do stuff, I can go close enough.
Hey, I've seen your car.
Major burn.
I have seen your car, Blair.
Not even.
What did you have for the wiper switch?
I got
Oh,
a toggle switch.
okay.
Got one speed.
Did I have another mechanism?
For what?
I wanted, they gave me an Oldsmobile mechanism for the wipers because it's not the motor, it's the actual mechanisms are worn out,
Yes. Yes.
right? Because,
Told you that.
right, it works once. So,
yeah.
but I don't know, every time I turn it on, it's like playing Russian
It's the
roulette.
relay. My car is identical.
Yeah?
Absolutely identical. So I put a saddle in there, a 1/4-inch rod, and I welded it so it can't fall down to where it can fall off.
Well, it doesn't fall off, it just binds up in there. I
I
haven't quite,
used to have that problem.
yeah, so I don't know why.
It's worn out completely.
Let me open the, okay, where did I put that other ignition switch? Because I need the keys for the trunk. Because I did get one out of a car that had been parked for 40 years.
Oh yeah.
But I don't know if I took it out of my trunk or if I left it in here. Because, right, we just cut this right off of a,
Yeah, but we can cut this rod and shorten it. How much slop is in here?
well, none this way. I mean, what do you define slop by?
Well, this ball, it can slip off of the ball once it's worn out. So if you have a bunch of slop this way, just like a tie rod end, right? Once the ball wears out,
The ball's tight.
good, then that's in nice shape. Then it can't just fall off.
I just don't know if we're gonna get the screws out. That one already broke in there, right? You know what I mean? On this piece here.
Okay, we'd have to use heat.
Yeah, well,
Oh, you missed the door by that much.
okay, well, so far, obviously, that ball isn't that good. I'm gonna stick with what I got. Kind of solved the heater issue. What I need is a new friggin' mechanism. I'm gonna change the cables out though, because I got new ones. Okay, I got it.
There, it's on. The camera's on.
Okay, defrost, air, and heat. Okay.
Okay, so you got it all figured out.
Okay, where's that thing with the new cables? Okay, here we go. Look at
I
these.
didn't freaking touch that either.
So defrost should be the shortest one. See, and we've got it on. I think it's all coming back to you now.
Excellent. Clear as mud, eh? Are you sure?
Yeah, defrost, air, and heat. Defrost, air, and heat. Da, buddy. Okay, well, it's taking me 2 hours to do a 10-minute job. We're on schedule. Okay. Hey, Blair, you want to check out my off-on switch? Check out my off-on switch.
Probably not. What did you do?
See this? See this?
Oh, yeah. Of course. That's totally custom.
Look at that. See?
It's like shaved door handles.
Yeah,
man.
that's right.
Shaved on off.
Come on, look at that. And I can,
awesome custom work. You
and I can do it while I'm driving.
can you?
Yeah, look.
Hey. All right. That's impressive.
Hey, it's where it's okay.
So no one will be able to steal your car in winter.
That's
Excellent.
Or at least turn the heat on anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means, okay, so I push, okay, so that should be defrost, and that should be full heat. Okay, so turn on the fan. Oh, feel that. Oh.
But it's cold.
Well, that's because the car ain't running. Anyway.
Yeah, that's very cool, man.
Okay.
Right on.
Solved one issue. I'm actually going to save these. These are way thicker than.
freaking
Well, they're
kidding me?
they're way thicker than the new ones.
So you're gonna soak them in a tub of molasses for a week?
I don't know. It just. I mean, look at the difference, and they have dust shields on them.
Holy jeez, man! And they don't
have
work.
And they don't work.
Why did they change them? Right?
These ones work so much better.
They do. They're awesome.
So I'm not going to put this one on. I'm just going to unhook the other one and leave it wide open because I can't control it.
Roll that up and put it in the glove box, or just throw it away right now? Well, you won't be able to.
Okay, f off. Don't you have something else to do? Anyway, I think this is for the cigarette lighter, if I'm not mistaken. Does that look like a cigarette lighter switch, Blair? This wire with the little
switch. You mean a wire? Oh, it's got a push on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does look like it. Yep. Oh, did you just scratch the paint with the light? Did you?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, of course.
That's your job to scratch paint. You're good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Once.
Twice. Yeah. Anyway.
Okay. Yep. That looks like for the cigarette lighter.
Okay, I'll try to put that on. Then that way I've got a charger.
All right. Okay.
Me.
That's a freaking bonus.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to this trip. We're gonna have defrost. The wipers are still hit and miss.
Yeah, well,
I got a couple of spare squeegees though, so we got to back up.
you know, if you ever do fix the wipers, maybe you can sell this to me.
Well, I'm not gonna fix the wipers then.
I'm guessing.
I don't want to sell it. I love this car. This car is just the cruising machine.